can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the general cryptocurrency market. Altcoins are pumping front, left, and center. The last 1 week has been epic in the altcoin market. Zcash is up 146%, Cake is up 22%. Quant is up 22%, XPX 6900 is up another 32%. Safe to say, the altcoin market is bubbling. We've seen greed return back to the cryptocurrency market, which historically has always been a good sign. If you're looking to sell at higher prices, you're looking for some greed in the cryptocurrency market. We'll take a look at the meme coin market, liquidations in the cryptocurrency market. We'll also look at news stories going around the market. How bullish are market participants? Should we be expecting higher prices? We're not yet in an altcoin season, according to the altcoin season index. When will altcoin season show? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. The altcoin market has been pumping. The altcoin market has seen huge gains over the last 1 week. Market participants are expecting bigger gains over the next 1 week. Right now, the altcoin market is flying. People are running to the altcoin market, feeling the FOMO. According to the altcoin season index, we're not yet in an altcoin season. Historically, for us to get to an altcoin season, we need to see more than 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period. And right now, Bitcoin is up 11% over the last 90 days. Market participants are running to the altcoin market because it's obvious to even a blind person that the altcoin market is where most of the party will happen over the next 30 days. So over the next few weeks and the next few days, watch out for the altcoin market as the Fear Green Index might finally head back to altcoin season, this time for the better. But remember, guys, after altcoin season comes the big dump to Goblin Town. This time is no different. You're playing the game against other market participants. The game you're playing is to buy as low as possible, to sell as high as possible, to buy when there's fear in the market, and to sell when greed returns back to the cryptocurrency market. Right now, there's greed in the cryptocurrency market. We've seen the market head from extreme greed towards fear, and right now we're heading back from extreme greed towards extreme fear, and right now we're hopefully heading back towards extreme greed. We've seen sentiment shift from the 26th of September 2025 when the market was in extreme fear. We have seen sentiment slowly shift towards greed territory. I will expect to see sentiment further shift to the upside, sending us towards extreme greed as Bitcoin nears all-time highs, Ethereum nears all-time highs, BNB set all-time highs, XRP near all-time highs. The altcoin market is bubbling front, left, and center. King of the altcoins in the cryptocurrency market, Ethereum, currently trading for $4,476. That's gotten to as high as $4,563. Over the next few days, hopefully Ethereum will be setting new all-time highs from where we are currently trading. For Ethereum to get to new all-time highs, we need to see more than a 10% pump to the upside. Historically, Ethereum has been very volatile. Historically, Ethereum has always given us that crazy pump. We saw Ethereum giving us such pumps way back in August of 2025. We saw Ethereum trading for $4,200 and poof, jumped to as high as $4,800, a 15% candle. I don't think this time is different. I believe the final phase of the market cycle, we see ETH outperforming Bitcoin. The final phase of the market cycle, we see altcoins outperforming Bitcoin. And right now, Bitcoin sits around $119,000. Bitcoin has even gotten to as high as $121,000. In the coming days and the coming weeks, guys, yes, Bitcoin could get to all-time highs, but remember, volatility is a feature in the altcoin market. It's not a bug. Yes, Bitcoin could get to all-time highs by pumping by around 4%, but that's where things get very tricky because a lot of market participants right now are leveraged to the gills, expecting Bitcoin to just continue pumping to the upside. I will not be shocked, guys. I'll be saying it multiple times. The last 2 weeks, we talk about how Bitcoin could return to $120,000 and face some rejection there. I will not be shocked if we stay at $120,000 for the next few days while the altcoin market take off. With all things being equal, Bitcoin starts going parabolic. All things being equal, we see Bitcoin maybe set new all-time highs. Still don't get carried away, even from where Bitcoin is currently trading right now. For us to paraventure rally up to as high as $140,000 in the most bullish scenario that I can conjure in my head, that's just Bitcoin rallying by 16%. If you head to the altcoin market over the last 24 hours, we have altcoins that are even up more than 16%. The last 1 week, I've seen many altcoins in the market rally up more than 16%. And a lot of market participants are just looking for those sweet profits. I won't be shocked to see them run towards altcoin market, run away from Bitcoin over the next few days and the next few weeks. If you look at Bitcoin dominance, it explains further my position. Bitcoin dominance is dumping. Yes, might not as dump as hard as we expected it to dump. Bitcoin dominance has been tricky. It has been going sideways since the 24th of August 2025 when Ethereum gave us that crazy pump. But it's been 40 days. At some point in time, the nearest future, guys, we're going to see a big decline for Bitcoin dominance. And when we see a bullish divergence, that's Bitcoin dominance getting to lower lows while the RSI sets a lower high, that will be a good sign for Bitcoin. That will be a sign to me that the market is coming to an end, that Bitcoin dominance will start pumping back upwards. But right now, I'm expecting Bitcoin dominance to dump aggressively to Goblin Town, sending the altcoin market going parabolic. Yes, Ethereum can get to $5,000. My target for Ethereum this cycle will be $5,600 to the $5,800 level. I believe Ethereum can rally that high from where we're currently trading. For Ethereum to rally that high, which is Ethereum pump by about 27 to 30%, which is possible, which is not too much to ask for. Historically, the final phase of the market cycle is where most of the gains are made. At the same time, that's where many market participants start behaving irrationally. There's going to be a lot of FOMO in the cryptocurrency market, as we're seeing great return back to the cryptocurrency market, as we're seeing all coins pump front, left, and center. A lot of market participants are stuck in other altcoins that are not pumping. We quickly sell those altcoins for some losses, running to where they see liquidity. Hopefully, they make some money, but guys, if you find yourself buying high, at some point in time in the nearest future, you're going to sell lower. What you want to do is you want to buy low and you want to sell high. How do you know how low it is? You want to buy when there's fear, when market participants are scared to buy. That's where you want to be accumulating. If you look at the meme coin market, the last 30 days has seen Dogecoin rally up by 20%. The last 30 days has seen Pepe go up by 2.4%. Meme coin is up 135%. Poco Penguin is up 2%, and SPX 6900 has seen a 10% increase over the last 30 days. You want to pay attention to the altcoin market. You want to pay special attention to the meme coin market. That's where most of the gains are going to be made. That's what I believe. I believe we're going to see most of the gains in the altcoin market. As Bitcoin, the king of the market, has already have majority of the move already. If you look at the biggest gainers in the last 24 hours, Pancakeswap is up 28%. Ethereum fee is up 15%, Asta is up 12%, XPX 6900 is up 7%, and BNB rallied to a new all-time highs. BNB is worth over $1,095. BNB went up 6% for the last 24 hours. If you look at losers in the cryptocurrency market, the funny thing is that a lot of altcoins are not losing, but we have MyX Finance down 42%, Double Zero down 17%, Memecoin down 7%, Zcash, which has been on a rally, it had epic rally up to as high as $154, is now down 4%. It's trading around the $133 level. Top 10 cryptocurrency by market capitalization is still unchanged. Bitcoin is still the king of the market. If you look at liquidations in the cryptocurrency market, the past 24 hours have seen more than 144,000 traders getting liquidated. So that liquidation is coming in at $384 million. The single largest liquidation order happened on Hyperliquid. One trader lost $6.56 million. How is Bitcoin and Ethereum doing in the month of October? October has been targeted, has been framed as a month where we always pump to the moon. Q4 is where we always rally to the upside. Bitcoin is up 5.4% in Q4. Ethereum is up 8% in Q4. Bitcoin in the month of October is already up 5.4%. Bitcoin has rallied past what we traded in September. September saw Bitcoin getting up by 5.1%. Right now in October, Bitcoin is already outperforming September. Ethereum, on the other hand, is up 8% in the month of October, clearly outperforming September. Ethereum saw a 5.7% decline in the month of September. Right now, I started October with a very good note. All coins pumping. A lot of market participants are happy. Talking about how Q4 is always bullish. And to be honest, Q4 stayed on a very bright note. Even though we're just 3 days into Q4, we've seen the altcoin market responding. I'll not be shocked, guys, if we see Q4 just turning out to be like September. Market participants believe September will be very bearish. The bottom came in the first day of the month. We pumped till, like, let's say 15th or 16th of September, and then we started dumping to Goblin Town. I don't know how that will play out for the altcoin market in Q4. Maybe we pump till the month of October, November. I had some market participants targeting to sell their portfolio at the end of November. Some say December. Guys, October is going to be a very crucial month for the cryptocurrency market. Total crypto market cap sits above $4 trillion. Remember, the all-time highs is around the $4.17 trillion level. And one signal that the game is coming to an end, one signal that the bull market is coming to an end, will be the total crypto market cap setting new all-time highs. Without Bitcoin setting new all-time highs, with Ethereum setting new all-time highs, with altcoins going parabolic. We've seen altcoins going parabolic. Ethereum is set to set new all-time highs, but Bitcoin is very close to a new all-time high. So maybe, just maybe, the cycle is going to extend. We're going to pay attention to Bitcoin dominance. If total crypto market caps are setting new all-time highs, Bitcoin dominance is dumping, Ethereum is setting new all-time highs, run for the hills. The game is almost over. If you look at total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin, currently sits around $1.68 trillion, near all-time highs. The all-time highs is $1.74 trillion. If Ethereum busts to new all-time highs, expect to see total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin, also rally to new all-time highs. If we go a step further to the total crypto market cap, excluding both Bitcoin and Ethereum, also near an all-time highs, is currently at the $1.14 trillion level. For an all-time high to enter, we'll have to see it rally to as high as $1.17 trillion. If you look at news stories going around the cryptocurrency market participants are very, very bullish. Joe Lubin confirms Swift is using Linear to build its new payment network. Near Foundation is working with an AI digital twin for governance votes. That's good to see. SEC silent on Canary Litecoin ETF amidst government shutdown. We'll be expecting a whole range of ETFs to be approved in the month of October. Hopefully, we'll see Solana and XRP ETF. Hopefully, we'll see these altcoins pumping aggressively. But remember, guys, you want to sell for them sweet profit. You want to buy the rumor. You want to sell the news. Horse has left the band. That's what ETH Zilla bets big on Ethereum stablecoin play. That's what they have to say. New York State Senator proposed tax on crypto mining energy use. Bitcoin next up could be $124,000. Ethereum surged to $4,500. Proof the bottom is in. Data predicts a 100% rally next. Be careful out there, guys. The new always reports what the masses is believing. The masses is always strong at the extreme. The masses always believe we'll continue pumping to the moon infinitely. I believe we're going to see alt season, but when we see alt season, a lot of market participants will get carried away. Remember, alt season, the final phases of the pump before the huge dump to Goblin Town begin. Take advantage of alt season. All coins are outperforming Bitcoin right now, but not such a way that we can call it an alt season. Bitcoin is still up 11% over the last 90 days. A lot of altcoins are doing better than that. When we see PP, Monero, Aave, Atom, and Casper and Shiba Inu start performing Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is just maybe up 0% or less than that, the altcoin market is going parabolic, that will be a telltale sign that the game is over as we enter alt season. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. The altcoin market is pumping front, left, and center. Fears has left the cryptocurrency market. Greed has returned back to the market. Optimism has returned back to the market. Market participants are expecting higher prices. And the chart is also showing that we're pumping to higher prices. Are you still buying some altcoins? How high do you see the altcoin market going in the coming days and the coming weeks? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.